Once upon a time, in the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, lay a land of dreams, history, and prosperity, Kuwait. Officially known as the State of Kuwait, this nation is a beacon of culture, resilience, and progress in the Middle East. Governed as a constitutional monarchy, Kuwait's head of state is the Emir, while the Prime Minister, as head of government, manages its affairs with wisdom and dedication. The capital, Kuwait City, gleams under the desert sun, reflecting both the country's rich heritage and its modern achievements. With a population of approximately 4.3 million people, Kuwait is a melting pot of cultures, where tradition and progress walk hand in hand. Arabic, the official language, echoes in the bustling souks, government halls and homes, binding its people together through a common tongue. Islam, the official religion, guides the hearts of Kuwaitis, shaping their values, traditions, and way of life. The country's vast desert landscape is softened by the blue embrace of the Arabian Gulf, giving Kuwait its unique geographical charm. Spanning an area of about 17,818 square kilometers, the land is known for its golden sands, vibrant coastline, and oil-rich reserves that fuel its economy. Kuwait's currency, the Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, is one of the strongest in the world, symbolizing its economic stability. With a gross national income, GNI per capita, that ranks among the highest globally, the country is an economic powerhouse, built on a foundation of oil exports, commerce, and trade. Kuwait's people cherish their rich culture, deeply rooted in Bedouin traditions, music, poetry, and hospitality. Their love for art, literature, and storytelling reflects a legacy passed down through generations. Life expectancy in Kuwait stands at around 75 years, and literacy rates soar high, emphasizing the nation's commitment to education and progress. The story of Kuwait's history is one of resilience. From its early days as a small trading hub to its rise as an oil-rich nation, Kuwait has overcome challenges, including the Gulf War, only to emerge stronger and more united. Today, the country continues to flourish, investing in infrastructure, healthcare, and education, while preserving its cultural identity. Kuwait's government is a blend of monarchy and democracy, ensuring stability and growth, with the Emir serving as the guiding force behind its progress. The parliament plays an essential role in shaping policies, making Kuwait one of the most politically active nations in the region. Nature in Kuwait has its own unique beauty, from the vast deserts to the serene coastal waters that provide breathtaking sunsets. The country's wildlife, though sparse, includes desert foxes, camels, and migratory birds that visit during the winter months. Through all these aspects, its governance, geography, culture, and history, Kuwait stands proud, offering the world a glimpse into a land where tradition meets modernity in perfect harmony. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Beautyleven Canada for more amazing videos like this.